4/29/2020 hourly open 15-minute bell Dxcm. All right, let's recap it. We took the 445 puts over here on 427. We came down here and we hit our major support level and we got out. We knew when to get out, and we bought the $320 calls right here. Today we have a 15-minute opening bell gap right into that double diamond resistance level. 75 IR. Each line is 1/8 delta dollar movement in our system, so it's 323. It's right to the penny. So basically you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 323 mathematically from the gap to the open. There is the half bar where it failed before. And Dxcm provides the put side of the market, and it provides the call side of the market, and we have exited this trade on the opening bell. We actually exited it about 15-20 minutes ago. 15 minutes ago. Actually, yeah. And I'm just pulling that up so all our traders can see that 15-minute candle and that double diamond reversal within that teeny line of $3.23. Fairly strong. Below the gap was 328.36. Now, technically, if you take the previous day's close and you go from that price of down around this 314 area, so if you went back and you calculated that close to the gap high, which was 344. So you have to know when to cash out. When you're trading an opening bell gap on the call side of the market, you can buy the 330 calls. You sell them to the resistance level. You have to know when. But you need a system that's going to tell you exactly how to do that. And that's what this application is about. It's to guide you through it. Here's going to be the half bar on a 15-minute level. It's a fairly strong gap. We love the stock. It gives us the greatest volatility. We get paid twice. We get paid on the put side. There's the call side. 330 call, opening bell gap, 15-minute chart, knowing when to sell, coming out, Dxcm. Excellent trade. Opening bell, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 429, 2020. 15-minute reversal bar right there. Knowing when to sell. 99% of the people don't know when to sell those options. You get into that free 5-day trial. We'll guide you through it. That IR just dropped to 72, and you can see that red bar. This is here. This is now. Each 1/8 line is 323 mathematically, and it doesn't lie. It's to the penny. Now, if it drops, that would be 2/1/8 deltas times 323 to the penny, and you got a diamond reversal in that algorithm that's coming in there. That's why we came out of the call options. Yeah, it's a strong stock, and we're going to trade it again. Probably get another inch if it comes down and hold support in here, but it doesn't matter. What matters is Dxcm gives us both directional movement, and you have to know when to sell the call side. You can get the put side again up here at the 345s as well. So you flip the 345 on the pullback and get out of support and flip the call again. This is the longer term move, and this was a major support level. This is the low gap of 328 to 344, and bam, it gapped up with the market with the headline news, with Gilead Sciences and the rest of the markets, and you could see the sell gap once again, and you have to know how to move in. You come out of the calls and you flip the puts again, because look at what's happening like it did over here. So we're looking here to see how these diamonds start to play out, and they start to play out like this right here. Well, of course you got to sell. It tells you to here. It takes all the uncertainty out of what you're doing, and when you're doing it, join that live trading room. Come in. See it live like we are right now. 338 by 339 is the bid in the ass. And there's the high reversal right now on a 15. You can see that IR. When that IR drops mathematically 63, 68, it doesn't lag price. So I'm going to click on this bar. It's 15 minutes. And it's closing $2.28 below this bar. That diamond and the triple diamond and these diamonds in here, and this is going to be a resistance area. So you have to know when to sell, even though it's a 15-minute bar. So when you click on the half bar, that's going to be 339, and they're below at least 339 right there on the ask to the penny. That's the half bar down here where my pointer travels. It does all the calculations for you. 339.06. So if that's below the half bar, that means it's weak. And if you're closing $2.28 below the previous 15-minute half bar, that's definitely a turn. Once again, knowing when to sell. Dxcm, how to make markets on the put side of the market, how to get the call side of the market, and how to make markets in Dxcm.